Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So let's do here. You can do whatever you want to, but I'll just show this basic if else. So here I did the client's uh, quality or client's name, but you can also do whatever the variable it is. You can just go with that flow. I'm just checking if it is working or not. It is working. So for example, I made the visibility would be student ID. Okay, 001 for example, and visibility we just made it student. Okay, so you just I don't know what happened. I didn't do anything building, but right now ID. Okay, 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 that's fine. Mhm. Just show the yeah problems are problems. I understand that. So because of this error, nothing else. I'm just making this example. Thing is very much fishy with my thing. I don't know. Something is wrong with the IntelliJ. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll just go with this view and let's see. So now it is working. So if the condition, we just make this condition visibility. No, no, no. If visibility. So, so by the way, in Java, just go with this double quote. Wrong with the keyboard or something? I'm not sure. Something went wrong. I swear to God, something is going to be super wrong. Let me try this way. Save all. See, it is working somehow, but again, it is not. Hmm, let me try again. If visibility equals student ID 001, just playing a simple coding out, which is a print line. Uh, verified ID. Okay, so it is this. Uh, if you go with the else if, else if condition, then still you have to go with the visibility get ID 002, for example. We just go with the yeah. What is wrong here? Else if now this is the thing, you cannot really go with your type changing, data type changing, for example, visibility, ID 002. I'm just saying like so. What is system out print line? Just go with the verified ID 002. Now when you go with the else, so you don't have to go with anything rather than just uh, out or system out print line undefined system. Okay, now just run this. For IntelliJ, idea IntelliJ, you just go with the debugging. So you basically did the verified undefined system as well. How? But it will print only undefined system instead of verified ID 002 or verified ID. Why? Because it did not do any user input system into this systematic way. I was just saying like if you want to go with this verified ID and all other things, so you just right away just go with this. It's very common simple. The input, you go with the input that is a different. Next time I'll do that again. So thank you so much for your time.